Invest in what you know. The simpler it is, the better I like it. Behind every stock is a company. Find out what it's doing. Know what you own and why you own it. There's no shame in losing money on a stock. Everybody does it. In stocks, as in romance, ease of divorce is not a sound basis for commitment. The best stock to buy is the one you already own. You don't have to catch the wave to succeed in the stock market. Long shots almost never pay off. Big companies have small moves. Small companies have big moves. Finding the next Intel or the next McDonald's is like looking for a needle in a haystack. The key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. Stocks aren't lottery tickets. There's a company attached to every share. A stock market decline is as routine as a January blizzard. Don't own too many stocks in a portfolio. It only takes a handful of big winners to make a lifetime of investing worthwhile. If you can't understand the balance sheet, stay away from the stock. Far more money has been lost by investors preparing for corrections than has been lost in corrections themselves. Know why you own a stock, and if the reason no longer applies, sell it. The person that turns over the most rocks wins the game. Investing without research is like playing stud poker and never looking at the cards. Companies that have no debt can't go bankrupt. Spend at least as much time researching a stock as you would a car. The trick is not to learn to trust your company, but to learn to trust your judgment. The worst thing you can do is to buy a stock that's already had a big run-up. The stock market is the only place where you can buy a good thing at a high price. The stock market ought to be a place where you put money in for 20 years. Time is on your side when you own shares of superior companies. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals and bright prospects. Buy stocks the way you buy groceries, not the way you buy perfume. Let your winners run and cut your losers. There's no shame in taking a profit. Look for small companies that are already profitable. If you're prepared to invest in a company, you ought to be able to explain why. Growth stocks are the holy grail. Focus on what's happening in the company, not on what's happening in the market. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals and bright prospects.